10:02 a.m. Thursday morning, March 9th, 2023. We're aboard Via Rail Train 1, number 1, the Canadian, bound from Toronto Union Station to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We're west of Armstrong, Ontario, east of Sioux Lookout, Ontario. We're taking siding on the Canadian National Railway. We're going to meet probably an eastbound Canadian National Railway freight. I'm in one of the two Skyline Dome cars. We also have a Dome observation, Prince Albert Park Dome observation. Big lake over here on the other side. We have a total of 50 passengers in the sleeping cars and 35 in the one coach. Most of the sleeping car passengers are we moonlighters. Go every year when there is a full moon. Big lake on this side too. And this is the last of the truly great streamliners left in North America. Long may it live. We have two Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois, / Diesel Division, General Motors Canada Limited, London, Ontario, F40PH-2 diesel electric locomotives, one baggage car, one coach number 8108 with 35 passengers departing Armstrong, Ontario. A Dome car, a Dome Skyline car number 8501, sleeping car Sherwood Manor, sleeping car Allen Manor, sleeping car Draper Manor, sleeping car Bell Manor, sleeping car Hearn Manor, my sleeping car Monk Manor, capital M-O-N-C-K. I'm in an open section, lower berth. By open section I mean there's only a curtain between my lower berth and the aisle. Dining car Louise, sleeping car Chateau Cadillac, Dome observation car Prince Albert Park, and a buffer car, sleeping car Charlotte Christie Manor. Buffer cars there because of concern about the structural integrity of these stainless steel cars built by the Budd Company in Philadelphia in the mid-1950s. In case there is a collision with another train, or it is though that the buffer cars will be removed at the end of this month. might be a while before the CN Freight arrives. I'm going to end this video. It's 10:09 a.m. Thursday morning, March 9th, 2023. VRL train number 1, the Canadian, west of Armstrong, Ontario, on a passing siding waiting to meet a Canadian National Railway freight. Over and out.